deal. You know this guy pulls with these Central Iowa pullers. He's one hell of a driver in the 360 world, running a road stock. How about that, ladies and gentlemen? Fasten your seatbelts. 3,000 horsepower, and away we go. That's what a Jason Rounds tractor does. Exactly now. No horsepower you'll have. Touch the ground. 344. Listen to this. 344. 51. Doing some driving here today too. Wheelish pleasure tractor, been around for a very... I had one of my grandparents even say something to this effect. He said back when they used to farm with horses, they had a thrashing machine. They dug all four wheels into the ground so the machine would stay stationary. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Ben Brinkmeyer. Isn't that something you'll think about that, ladies and gentlemen? There's a family that's playing together. There's a family that's staying together. My friend and my boss is standing out in the middle of the track right now, Mr. Tim Bwal, doing a line in his gear and steer, and he's going to be doing a little driving later on. They're a nice and sometimes not even around for our organization and working with the Badger State Bunch, and I like that coordination. Like I said, I'm repeating myself from earlier. He had the tires smoking right at the end. A very impressive pass for the Jason Round. The Barley, Iowa kid is 83.60 car here. $1,400. Oh, the fence coming out, the only fence pro stock in the United States right here. Glen Valentine's doing the driving here. That is a cool looking ride. I do believe I've seen that in Dubuque County the last time you guys were there. I do believe. Yeah, if you go to the Luke Johnson on a tractor he calls, never giving up. Here's his tank. Why you went with the fence? We like to know. Just try it. Shut her off! Pull a kill! Pull a kill! I think something sounds like a jet engine taking off. Gonna give her one more attempt and that's all he's gonna get. Something's not coming together for him there, ladies and gentlemen. The old Fuel in the Fire out of Dubuque, Iowa. Iowa kid, Mr. Brandon Coates with a tractor they call Fuel in the Fire. No, there's chicken in the turbocharger. State of Wisconsin. Thank them a bunch. The main engine block. Now think about the intelligence of some of these gentlemen in this class. You can custom build your own engine block. They start from scratch. And I do dig a tractor, Dan's outer on a cross plane. Here we go. Stop the throttle to gear it, or steer it, and I tell you what, I think that worked out for him. Looking pretty good. The G8 Tomcat.
They'll be out there.
Out of Prairie du Sac, Wisconsin, and it's the only D23. Well, folks, that's a pretty cool looking ride right here. Look at the sun's coming. Looking for the green. We've got it on a sled. We've got it on a track. Here we go, Ford fans. Folks, it's a legend. The Duol Times tractor is in the house.
Really? You actually listen.
Pro stock world. You've got a distance of 344 and change to beat to get the win here today. Lots of real estate yet to come.
Yeah.
What you see on Times 2. Industrial force. That's a new tractor. That's a cool looking ride. That one was just done. So this is a Engler chassis. Craig Wildman helped packing them in. He put the rest of it together here for him. Put the motor in it, plumbed it all, got it all. It's basically turnkey. Show up, jump the seat, fire it up, and a whittler on this one either. The 5-inch charger down there. So no intercooler, just a 5-inch charger, right? No intercoolers. 680 cubes, pro stock component, 5-inch charger, no intercooler. Good pass out of it, a little bit heavy on the nose, but he's on the brake hard there, about the 150-foot mark. And when you're on the brake that hard, definitely takes some distance away. A little bit interesting on the footage there. We're going to see where it's at. Here's the new ticket for number 2. The old one is going for the win. Pass here, like you said, number 1 in the points, the Die Hard Deer. I think this tractor, when they originally put it together, I went down Craig Lyleman, down to Tim Engler's shop, and helped pick up the chassis for this. The day we picked it up, 26 days later, it was running. Isn't that amazing? 26 days of nothing but dedication. There's a whole pile of guys putting this tractor together. They debuted the tractor in Baraboo for the Children's Hospital pull that we put on every year, and all the money from that event gets donated to American Family Children's Hospital. And the Die Hard Deer, here we go, fans.
Hey, they think the first spider to be on it?
Smoke on the tires of that one too. Yeah, you better believe it. And I was watching him. He was driving the 200 foot, ready to touch that pedal. He did not want to do it until he absolutely had to. He did that thing for you. Corey's Custom Mailing. Also, Adore Salon. Ollie Siegenthaler of Verona. That is the spot. 6, the older style looking tractor. But pay attention. The red cattle flag. Obviously a cattle farmer out of the deal out of Kent, Illinois, Frank Mullinger. Cool looking ride. I still knows how to do it. Shake the rust off the cloth, and away we go. Way to go. Green on green. Here we go with the red Cadillac. Green on green. Here we go with the red Cadillac.